Good morning, morning everyone. Measures of central tendency, chapter number 3, in which calculation of mean, median and mode for continuous type of frequency distribution, in which today we are going to take the method for which inclusive type of classes are given. Last time we have seen exclusive type classes. Compute or calculate mean, median and mode for the given data. Number of the checks 0 to 39, 40 to 79, etc. And number of the days 2, 14, etc. Right? 0 to 39, 40 to 79, 80 to 119, 120 to 159, 160 to 199. And the related frequencies are 2, 14, 23, 7 and 14. Cumulative frequency 2 as it is. 2 plus 14, 16, 16 plus 23, 39. 39 plus 7, 46. 46 plus 4, 50. Then mid value. Mid value means upper limit plus lower limit by 2. 0 plus 39, 39 by 2, 19.5. Then 59.5, 99.5. For this class 139.5 and for the last one 179.5. Now assume any one value from the mid value. Right? These are the classes in which class interval or class width remains same. See, class interval is measured as this value 17, 10, 13 and 40. C means class interval is 40. Whether it is exclusive type or inclusive type, C remains same 40. If 0 to 40, 40 to 80, 80 to 120 and so on classes are given, then also C can be given as 4040. In this class also 4040. Because 40 is also calculated, 79 is also calculated and the value in between this is also calculated. Therefore C class interval or class width remain unchanged in both the type, exclusive type and inclusive type. Mind well. Some student occur mistake, they may write C equal to 39. No, it is wrong. But C can be taken as 40. Now D assume value 99.5, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Be careful about the column of D. If class interval remains same, if for all classes class interval, then this type of value can be written. Otherwise not. F and D product minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 1 into 14 minus 14 0 multiplied by any number 1 into 7 means 7 and 4 gives are 8. This prepare this table, complete this table. This table is known as continuous time frequency distribution. One important thing, measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion, measure of skewness, whatever may be chapter given. Identify the type of the data. If you can justify the type of the frequency distribution, then and then proper formula can be applied. And frequency total 5050. SG value means capital A 99.5. C class interval remains same for each class 4040. Total of FD minus 3 and maximum frequency is 23. Now calculation of mean, median and mode. First arithmetic mean or simply it is known as mean or x bar. X bar is given by A plus sigma f into D upon n multiplied by C. C minimum 10 number of the example of each type, each observation you must practice. Then and then this formula can be prepared very well. Substitute the values. A means 99.5 multiply by C. C means 40 and total frequency 5050 and frequency means FD total is minus 3. Now just simplify. 0 0 cut out, minus 3 goes are 12, plus minus minus 12 upon 5 will become 2.4 and ultimately the answer will be 97.1. Be careful about calculation or about simplification. This plus sign and minus sign, product of these two signs is once again minus, ultimately minus sign. Median is given by n upon 2. N means total frequency by 0, 50. 50 by 2. 50 by 2 means 25. 25. This is not median, but the value which ascertain the class of median. This value we have to see in the column of CF, cumulative frequency column. Up to 2, no 25. Up to 60, there is no 25. Up to 39, yes, there is 25. And therefore median class is 80 to 119. Now what is the difference between the last lecture and this lecture? These classes are given inclusive type of classes I have written, and therefore this value of L is nothing but lower limit point, not a lower limit but lower limit point. So subtract 0.5 from this value, 80 minus 0.5, it becomes 79.5. C class interval 40, CF is 16. CF is just above, means cumulative frequency of the previous class, and 23 frequency of the particular median class, 23. Substitute the value L 79.5 multiplied by C class interval 40, n by 2 25, CF 16, F frequency 23, right? Now simplify. 25 minus 16, 9. 9 multiplied by this 40, 360. 360 upon 23. The division of these two means quantity 15.65. Therefore, last answer, final answer of median is 95.15. All this as result number 2. Then we try for the value of mode. How mode can be determined? The class related to the maximum frequency. See the column of frequency, simple frequency F, this column, second column. Maximum frequency is 23, and hence model class mode lies between 80 to 119. See, 80 to 119. Now, value of mode L plus Fm minus F1 upon 2 time Fm minus F1 minus F2 outside the bracket multiply by C. What is the value of L? Now cut 0.5. L means lower limit point, not the lower limit. L means lower limit point, not the lower limit. 80 minus 0.5. Why 0.5 should be subtracted? Because it is inclusive type of classes and not exclusive. C means 40, class interval, Fm 23, F1, 14, F2, 7. You must write this data. Then there is no question. Your calculation become perfect. L 79.5 plus multiply by C means 40. Fm 23 minus 14. 23 2s are 46 minus 14 minus 7. Now 46. Connect these two quantity. 14 and 7. 21. This is 9. 9 multiplied by 43 60 upon this quantity is 25. The division 14.4. If you add this 79.5, then mode is ultimate answer of mode 93.9, and call this as result number 3. So this way mean, median, mode can be computed for continuous type of distribution and especially for inclusive type of classes. Difference between exclusive and inclusive, try to understand. And minimum 10 example of exclusive type classes, 10 example of inclusive type of classes from anywhere from book. Chapter, you calculate mean, median and mode, then and then satisfactorily practice will be there. So please be practice of this chapter and this type. This is most important chapter in your study. Because if you learn, if you practice, if you study well, then next two chapters, chapter number 4 and 5, easy for you, simple for you. So we practice. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much. See you next time.